Ndewonu, ndị Igbo na-amasị. Greetings to you lovers of Igbo. Unu abịala n'ihe ọmụmụ nke taa. You're welcome to today's lesson. Ka anyị mụọ Igbo. Let's learn Igbo. And so today we'll talk about Nkọwa Onwe. Nkọwa Onwe simply means self-introduction. So we want to learn how to introduce oneself in Igbo language. And so how we're going to do that is that I'll give you the cue question and then the appropriate answer. So just, should someone ask you this question, this is what you should respond to. All right. So the first thing, of course, is Kedu aha gi? That's what is your name. And so your answer should be Aha m bụ Chinenye. My name is Chinenye. Or if you're more comfortable with the dialect, say Afa m bụ Chinenye. Just means my name is Chinenye. No, our aim here is communication. So whatever they understand, Aha m or Afa. Alright. So Ibu nwoke ka ibu nwanyị. Are you male or female? Nwoke, male, nwanyị, female. So Ibu nwoke ka ibu nwanyị. So for me, Abu nwanyị. Maybe if you are male, you can say Abu nwoke. Alright, that's that. Then the next thing should be how old you are. Afo ole ka ede. That's how old I am. So you put in your age. I believe you would have watched our video on numbers, so that shouldn't be a problem for you. So I'm going to say I am 30 years now. So Adem Afo Iriato. Iriato is 30. Okay, if I want to say I am 16, Adem Afo Irina Isi. So if you've not gone through our lesson on numbers, just go and learn the numbers and learn your age so you can introduce yourself. So you just answer Adem Afo, put whatever number your age is. Alright. Then the next question should be, where are you from? Are you native of where? So Ibu onye ebe. Ibu onye ebe. Or I know all means mobu. All in Igbo is mobu. So Ibu onye ebe mobu. Onye ebe ka Ibu. However you are asked, the question simply means, where are you from? Or you are a native of where? So your response should be, Abum onye. You put your town, wherever you came from. So let me say I'm from Onitsha. Abum onye Onitsha. Abum onye Abia State. I'm from Abia State. And you want to show that you are a pro. You can say Abum onye Umuahia. Nke dị na Abia State. Did you get that? I am from Umuahia in Abia State. So the response to where are you from should be Abum onye. You put the name of your town or your state or whatever. That's that. Then, of course, where do you live or where do you stay? So the question is, Ebe ki ibi? Ebe ki ibi? Or ibi ebe? Ebe is where? Bi is live. Where do you live? Ebe ki ibi? Ibi ebe. So your response should be Ebim n'Awka. I live in Oka. Or Ebim n'Owerri. Live in Owerri. Ebim na London. Or Ebim na Ghana. I live in Ghana. I live in London. Just wherever you live, just put the Ebim na. Put where you live. Okay. And next thing, what do you do? What do you do for you? So, kedu ihe ị na-arụ? Kedu aka ọrụ gị? Aka ọrụ is occupation. So kedu ihe ị na-arụ? What do you do? Kedu aka ọrụ gị? What do you do for a living? So whatever the point. Okay, if you are a student, you can say Abụ m nwa akwụkwọ. I'm a student. Abụ m nwa akwụkwọ. I am a student. The person may now go further to ask you, kedu ogo ị nọ na ya? Like, what class are you in? What level are you? a university student, you can say abum nwa akwụkwọ mahadum. Mahadum is university. Abum nwa akwụkwọ mahadum, that's a university student. But if you just say abum nwa akwụkwọ, it means you're a student, most likely a primary or secondary school student. So to just put that difference, say abum nwa akwụkwọ mahadum, I am a university student. So if you're not asked, get the class, no, that class, that's we Igbonize the word class. So that's what class are you? Or I ask, kedo going on? What level are you? So you can now say, anom ogo nke abụọ, I am in level 2. Anom na class nke atọ, I am in class 3. Go and look at our numbers again. So you just put ogo, anom logo, you put your level, number of level. Anom na class. Okay, if for instance you are a doctor, you may say, abum dibia. When they say dibia in Igbo, what comes to your mind is a native doctor. Dibia is just a doctor, but then it now indicates the type of doctor you are. So if you're a medical doctor, you say abum dibia beke. I'm a medical doctor. So whatever it is you do, you put it there. If you do business, you can say ana m azụ ahịa, like buy and sell. That's buying and selling. Then people that do business in Igbo basically mean, business, the idea of business is to invest money and make money. So business in Igbo, the word is descriptive, is iji ego achụ ego. So abum, if you want to say I'm a business person, abum onye oji ego achụ ego. Somebody that uses money to make more money. Somebody that uses money to pursue money, that's a literal meaning. Someone that invests money to make more money. So abum onye oji ego achụ ego, I'm a business person. Or just simply, ana m azụ ahịa, I buy and sell. So that's that. So, but once again, look out for our video on occupation, what you do, how we describe that in Igbo, so that you can say what you do very well. Then, your tribe, I should ask you, are you Igbo? Do you know what that? How do you say that in Igbo? Igbo onye Igbo. The way you spoke so well, the person may ask you, Igbo onye Igbo. Are you Igbo? You may now say, Iba. Iba is no. Abum onye Yoruba. Yoruba. Abum onye Hausa. Hausa. You can say, abum onye Igbo. So these are different ways you can describe yourself. So if there's something else you want to say about yourself that I didn't say in this video, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll respond to you, or we can as well do another video. Talk more about how you introduce yourself. So the summary of our lesson now. So let me run through. Now, whether you want to write an essay, a composition about yourself, if you answer these questions, you'll go a long way. So let me just introduce myself without the question. So aham bụ Nwada Chinenye. My name is Chinenye. We said that. Abụ nwanyị. I'm female. Adị m afọ 30, 30 years old. Abụ m nwa akwụkwọ. I am a student. Abụ m nwa akwụkwọ mahadum. I am a university student. Abụ m onye nkuzi. I am a teacher. Ebi m n'Ibadan. I live in Ibadan. Ebi m n'Owerri. But I live in Owerri. Then, abụ m onye Igbo. Abụ m onye Hausa. Abụ m onye Igbo. So, just like that. You would have done a good job of introducing yourself. So I hope this helps. I hope you learned something. And so don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share our video. Thank you for watching. Email. Thank you. See you later.